loves, today's video is the unboxing of the entire Hocus Pocus makeup collection from Colourpop. I mean, you guys didn't think that I'd pass that up, did you? Because I'm obsessed with Hocus Pocus. I just love it so much, and I had to get the whole collection. I mean, a lot of people said that they liked the one from last year better. I got the palette and like 2 lippies from that one last year because it sold out and I missed out, and then my Ulta barely got in any shipment. So I got what I got from that, but I didn't rebuy anything from this year's collection that was from last year. Does that even make sense, the relaunch? So I got everything from the new collection. However, I'm a little sad because my Black Flame candle didn't come with this shipment. They will be sending it separately, so just keep an eye out on my social media. I will definitely be doing a post with that, like definitely. I don't know if I want to wait for the candle first, then do a picture. I don't know yet. I'm gonna think about that. I'm not the only one though. A lot of people didn't get their candle yet, so I thought it was just me, but I'm a little relieved now, just a little, but yeah. And by the way, there's this really pretty ring, and if you check out my Instagram, I have an IGTV on where I got it from. Is it gonna focus? I don't know if it wants to focus. This one right here. And like, you need to check out that Etsy shop. I mean, like I said, check out my IGTV on Instagram because that Etsy shop is beautiful and I'm obsessed. I am. But back to the unboxing. So I love this cute little card. It says, "Thanks for being a cutie pie." Well, thanks Colourpop. Thank you so much. Yeah, so I love that. And we're gonna dive on in. So I wanted to just do the intro and outro and kind of just film this up close, but now I'm getting too into it and I'm just gonna show it to you guys now. I mean, I don't know, doesn't matter. They have a million pictures of it on Instagram anyway, but wait till you see this because it is the Binks mirror. Let's hope it's not broken. That would be like really bad. So if you guys didn't know, I announced it in my previous video, I believe. I will be doing some face painting bits on Instagram. I might not be filming it. I might just be painting my face and posting pictures of it. And then on here, I will be doing some Halloween looks too. I just don't have time to fit in a lot of those like looks right now and film for both things. It would be a lot right now. If you didn't know, I'm not really like the other YouTubers. I film and I edit everything by myself. I do it all by myself, but I like it that way because I'm a perfectionist and I kind of want things the way I want it, so you know what I mean? But I just wanted to share that with you guys. So I'll be doing like bits and bobs on Instagram and on my channel, so you guys will get the best of both worlds. I am always mostly active on Instagram, so you guys definitely want to follow me on there. I've been slacking on my merch page because I'm kind of focusing on this series right now and it takes a lot out of me, so that's why I'm not really posting on that page. But yes, but anyway, look how gorgeous this mirror is. I cannot wait to show this to my sister. And then you see my lights and my camera. There you go. Okay, what am I doing? Yeah, that's so cute. Okay, so we're gonna put that there so I don't drop it because typical Sam. I'm gonna lie to you. Well, I'm not really gonna lie to you. I'm telling you the truth right now. I cheated a little bit. I used the lippy from this box already and the spider stamp because I had to do something. Like I had to do some photos and I really wanted to use it. And this is the palette. I don't want to jinx it. I really should shut up and not say anything, but the camera's behaving. That's another reason I wanted to do it up close. Look at this. It's beautiful. It's stunning. Oh, these witches, they make me laugh, honestly. I mean, like, obviously they're evil, but like, they're funny. They're really funny to me. Like, Winnie's just, I don't know, they just make me laugh a lot, okay? Look at this gorgeous palette. I cannot wait to dig this palette up. This is stunning. Oh my gosh. These are definitely Sam colors, so we're gonna be using this. Gonna put that back there. Look at this. At first I'm just like, what is this? I don't know what this is, right? So, let's go camera. Did I jinx this? Like, please tell me I did it. Alright. Look at the detail on this. It's stunning. Look at this. Okay. Mister. Let's go. Okay. And now. I don't want to mess up the order that it was in. But look at these stunning pigments. Like, I love these cream eyeshadows. These are beautiful. The purple one is called Forever Bewitching. The gold one is called Dost Thou Comprehend? And at first I was like, what does that say? And then the third one is called To Be Yourself and Beautiful Again. So I love that. I'm gonna put this back in here. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I don't want to ruin the packaging. It's really, really beautiful. Yeah. Okay, that's that. This is the spider stamp. And since I already used it for a face painting thingy for my Instagram, I can give you guys my feedback and I love it. It works amazing. Let's see. I don't want to rip this box. Okay. Put that there. That's what it looks like. So beautiful. And I don't know if this is even gonna focus, but we'll give it a try. That's the spider stamp. Yay, I think it's working. So you literally just do your makeup and stamp away. Where did I put that box? Okay, it's back here. And now we have the 3 cream lippies. Okay. I'm not going to swatch them. I don't want to waste my makeup. I don't want to do that. I'll be honest with you. So I'll just take them out the box. They're French Kiss lip creams. Sarah's is called Hello Boys. And it looks like this. And then we have Winnie's. And hers is called Tonight We Fly. Okay. All I've been posting is throwbacks of my Hocus Pocus looks and stuff on Instagram, you guys. Maybe some people are annoyed, but I really don't care because that was like my proud moment. You know, I actually did things that I never got to do before with those witches. I feel like I branched out with my Halloween looks in the past couple of years, and I'm really proud of myself. And I worked really hard on that whole thing with the Hocus Pocus witches and my Halloween series, so I had to give myself a pat on the back. I had to give myself some credit. I mean, right? Gotta support yourself. And I'm so proud of that because it was amazing and I love how it turned out and everything. It was just so much fun to film. And this is Mary's. Hers is called Calming Circle. And my candle, like I said, is not here yet. So follow me on Instagram. We're done, by the way. Yeah, so follow me on Instagram. I will definitely do, I don't know. I want to do a post, but I mean, I should wait for the candle, shouldn't I? I want to take a photo, but like I think I should wait for the candle. I don't know what I'm going to be doing about that yet. So that is it for today's unboxing, my loves. That went like really quick, quicker than I thought. So let me know down below, will you be getting anything now that you saw this video? Did you pass on it? Do you even wear makeup? Because I know some of you don't, and that is totally cool. It doesn't matter. I just love makeup because I'm an artsy person. I love experimenting, and makeup lets you just do whatever, and it helps you pursue that. And you know, I love fashion as well. That's what I studied in college, and to just mix makeup and fashion because it's kind of the same thing together and just express yourself. I mean, that's what I love about it. Like, it's not even about confidence for me with the makeup thing. It's just about art. I get to paint my face and just do things that is different, and I don't like to be the same as anybody else. So yeah, that's my little positivity spiel for the day in this video. But like, yeah, like, oh Sam, let me know down below. Will you be purchasing anything from this collection? Did you guys get the collection? Do you wear makeup or don't you wear makeup? And what was your favorite thing in this video? Let me know down below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on that notifications bell. That way you guys will not miss any uploads of mine. Like I said, leave some comments down below. Let's have a chat. And with all of that said, until next time, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye!